Welcome to Lesson 16, Using the Relay. Relays are used where it is necessary to control a circuit by a separate low-power signal, or where several circuits must be controlled by one signal. In this lesson, we will show you how the one-channel relay module works and how to use it with the microbit.
In this lesson, you need to prepare hardware as video shows,
and connect one-channel relay with microbit as video shows.
In this lesson, we use the MakeCode editor to conduct tutorial experiments. You need to connect microbit with computer firstly. Enter MakeCode editor and click microbit icon. Click plus to add a new project.
Drag the digital write pin block from pins under forever block. And change the pin to P0 and number to 0. Drag pause block and change the time as you like. Drag the digital write pin block again. And change the pin to P0 and number to 1. Drag pause block again.
Download this program to your microbit drive.
After power of microbit, you will hear a mechanical on/off sound from the relay every 1 second.
You can also drag hex file in our instruction to your microbit drive.